If you have a Honda Accord Coupe with a V6 or 4-cylinder, it doesn't matter, but I want to show you guys how to change out the hood struts. I went there to rockauto.com, picked up some ultra power hood struts, shocks, and this job is very, very easy. You just have to make sure that it has a bracket like that on the end. It takes a special bracket the shocks have. All you need is a 10 millimeter socket, and then to get the bottom part out, you can either hit it real hard with your fist, or you can take a screwdriver and get the clip, just like I'm showing you right there. Get underneath the clip on the bottom, pop that out, and then the bottom part of the shock comes out. But I just used my hand and popped it out, just gave it a good smack, or you could use a hammer. On the top, it's just two 10 millimeter bolts that hold it on, nothing special. And then you get the bottom part out, and then the old shock is out. You put the new shock in. To get the new shock in, you just line up, there's a little ball that the bottom of the shock gets put into. To get that into, you can put a little bit of grease on there and just smack it, goes right in, and then put the two 10 millimeters, the two 10 millimeter bolts back. But right here I screwed up, I put the bracket on the wrong side, so just make sure you put the bracket on the correct side and just tighten those up. It'll be helpful if you have somebody to help you, but you can't do it by yourself. If you have a piece of wood or piece of plastic to hold the hood up, and just tighten those down and you're done. So there you go, guys, quick video on how to change out hood struts.